So in today's quick tip, we're going to show you how you can access your emojis on your Mac desktop. So this also works on Mac laptops as well. And a lot of y'all know that when you access your emojis on your iPhone and iPad, it's pretty easy and quick to do. But many people don't use the actual emojis on their Mac desktop or laptop because they don't know how to access them. Well, in this quick tip, we're going to show you how to do that, and it's really simple. So as you see here, I have a note opened up and I have a emoji in front of whatever I'm writing, right? Well, if you want to do the same thing, all you have to do is hit the Control, Command, and the space bar, and that'll open up your emojis. And then you can go ahead and select the emoji that you want and then type whatever note that you want. And it is just that simple. Just remember, it is Control, Command, and the space bar. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick tip, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these tips in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.